Tower Delta 1505, there was a man running down the runway.
Delta 1505, affirmative. Are you aborting or are you able to depart?
We're able to take off.
Tower United 538, 8 miles south, visual 34 left.
Yeah, 538 Salt Lake Tower. Are you able to take runway 34? We just had a report of a person on 34 left. We need to move you over.
Yeah, we can take that for United 538.
Yeah, 538. Change to runway 34 right. Contact Tower 11905.
Okay, 1905. Good day, United 538.
Was this person when you saw him?
Stand by, we'll look at the chart here.
I'd say it was just to the left of the center line, near Alpha 3, Alpha 4, probably.
So 15056, and they were on the runway, you said?
On the runway and waving their arms with, looked like a yellow safety vest.
Okay.
Don't believe it.
We'll have ops go check it out. Delta 1505, static departure.
All right, departure, and if you could pass along the departure, let us know what you find out, please.
We'll go. Top 2 had reported near Alpha 3 and 4, just off the center line, in a yellow vest, waving their arms on the runway. And Op 631, not sure if you copied, the aircraft said that they were near Alpha 3 and 4, just off the left side center line, orange vest.
United 2192, change of runway, expect runway 34 right, possible thought on 34 left. So expect 34 right for now, and we might need to switch it back to the left here in a moment though.
1505, yeah, actually, just listening to ground frequencies, looks like they did find somebody on the de-ice pad, looks like they're over there now.
Alright, yeah, I think he had a yellow vest on too.
15005, thanks for the report there. They do have them and they're working on it there. Contact Salt Lake Center on 125.57, have a minute.
Op 631, we just had an aircraft depart 34 left. They're off the departure end, but on their takeoff roll, they said there was a man running down 34 left. Delta 950, we kind of got a situation going on with 34 left with a possible, there might be a guy out there running around. That's what the police are looking for. Give ramp a call, see if they'll give you a 180 back to 2 east, and I'll have you de-ice over at the 34 right de-ice pad. And Delta 2348, again, just hold your position there. There's going to be a lot of, just hold there. There's going to be a lot of vehicles around there now.